As you can see, what I've done, winter has caught me and it was a lot of rain. So I had to take some shortcuts. So I hope to have finished this by next year and actually put the cushions on and insulate inside. But we sold the house. So to finish it off, I painted it. That helped it for the weather a bit. And the fire, you saw that working, or maybe I'll show you a picture. We had a bonfire on my birthday in September, so that was good, that was brilliant. There's a few bits and pieces to finish it off, but you see those tiles that are there? Those tiles are there is to go on the side there and the side here, and that will finish it off. And then the new owners can put some cushion around it, and they can have whatever color they want. But that's it. I jet the floor once already, but I was going to jet it again, but I can't jet it again because I've run out of time, because they want us out by December. So here it is, it's done. The garden is it's lovely, it feels comfortable. All right, and I've done as much as I can, and it's time to leave this house. I've got to clear that out and everything else. But anyway, you saw now that that is finished. Brilliant.